Every part of the city has something excellent to offer, and the author has not missed any flavor in any place. Calcutta, Calcutta, ya Kolkata, the city of joy, opens up a divergent yet harmonious world. The city, which is rich in culture, education and values, houses crores of natives as well as people immigrating as Jews, Parsis, Portuguese, French, Chinese and people from different walks of life as well as religion, beliefs, etc. And the city to them had been welcoming enough for them to choose to stay back. I was born in Kolkata, but however had very little connection with the city due to my residence in a satellite city within Kolkata. Yet, when I went through the pages of the people of Kolkata, 55 stories of the resilient city, I felt the connection that I would feel if I had physically walked down the streets of Kolkata or had gone inside a coffee shop. But the curator, Kamalika Bose, has gone in depth and has done more than just walking down the streets. She has tried to dig in the history of this century-old city by striking conversation with multiple personalities known and unknown inside the streets and gullies of Kolkata. So I'm talking about this book, The People of Kolkata, 55 Stories from the Resilient City. I got this one from the book fair in 2020 and found it in the section of new publications. So what struck me to buy this book is I have so many stories from different places in the world in my bookshelf, but only have one or two books on the city, on my city, Kolkata. So I really wanted to know that what authors had to talk about my city. So I got this book and let me tell you, it was a very satisfying reading. So inside the book, as you can see, there are 55 short stories and all of it are the conversation which the curator Kamalika Bose or conversationist Kamalika Bose had with various prominent people. Now let's talk something more about this book. So this book is not just pages with stories and conversation. This book has touched on the emotions of people and the emotions of the city Kolkata. It evokes your imagination about how united this city is, and it embraces everyone new and old in this particular city. So now I have jotted down few things because the book is full of information and emotion. It's really hard to remember everything, but Kamalika Basu has minutely touched each and everything, like starting from Maidan to the Fuchka Wala Gully, Fuchka village. It has some amazing facts, like the first Pride in the city was in 1999, the first Pride March. And then there are conversations with bodyguard of Prasenjit Banerjee. There are conversations with the people from the Fuchka village. And there are conversations with women who are the single mother or just single woman and how the city embraces them. There are stories about authors, about ink sellers. There is the mention of Galib Street, that is the pet market. And there's story about the skyline, changing skyline, and that the culture in West Bengal or Kolkata is a Panchmishali culture. If you know what Panchmishali is, then you will know. Yeah, and also there are stories about the street food, like how delicious it is. There are stories about young entrepreneurs in the city. There's a story about the people working in the High Court, typewriters in the High Court. So the curator or the conversationist has gone into depths by having conversation with people with whom we generally don't talk to, but are shaping up the city the way it is. It's beautiful. You please go through the book if you are a reader and you will love it. I give this book a 5 on 5. I loved reading it. She has also highlighted on some negatives that are there inside the city, because as many people consider this as the dying city due to its dying architecture and demolishing of few old buildings to build up new constructions, which they are considering as box flats and box houses. So, and also she highlights on the Chalta Hai syndrome, that the people of Kolkata are sometimes a little laid back in a good way or in a bad way. So this book is a very nice to read. People who are from Kolkata will definitely be able to connect with it. It's good for people who are away from Kolkata and their hometown and are missing the city a lot too much, because this is Kolkata in a book.